Vorbește cu el, Puia, vorbește cu el.
Man. Zi așa, man, 60.
Vorbește Puia cu el de timpul la mea. My friend here wants to talk to you, you know? Vorbește mă cu el. Wait, he is kinda, you know, shy. He wants to like talk to you, but he is kinda shy, you know? zi. Take it. Zi, take it.
Take it above.
Wait.
Vorbește mă cu el în engleză.
I should tell you this right now that I'm also like modding, so I have everything I want, but I just wanna play.
Zi, Puia ceva în engleză, în pula mea ești prost.
I play on six
I
days.
have all
I'm
the
full
items in
items.
the game. Look, it drops because I already have one.
Zi, mă,
What the
Puia.
fuck?
Vorbește cu el, Puia, vorbește cu el. Go. What?
I'm also hacking, guys.
Oh. Zi,
It's not
Puia.
hacking, this is game mode.
Are you hacking?
No, I'm not hacking.
Dar ce faci, ia
Can I
zi,
give you
ce?
something?
I am use command console.
What?
Yes.
Use the what?
Look, it's a bird.
Mai vorbește cu el, Puia.
Come here. Look.
Yeah. That thing in your hand calls the cannibal dude. As far as I know.
Faci secret finit, înțelegi?
I really can't understand why you're laughing like this.
Ai bum, toți domnul.
Oh! Nu mai pot.
Look, tacaca, ăsta.
Dude, why are you laughing? Dude, why are you laughing? What the fuck?
Talk to my friend. Bro.
Alright, I'm
This country.
I'm gone.
No, wait. Ai și mă?
Guys, stop laughing at me, please. That would be really appreciated.
No, bro, I don't laugh at you. I laugh at my at my friend because he doesn't know English, but he's trying to talk to you, you know?
Oh, I get it now. Okay.
This is how I am. Puia, come talk to him, please. Vorbește-mă cu el.
It's really weird. Every Romanian people is so funny and kind.
Yeah, bro, no problem. Puia, talk to him. Puia, vorbește-mă cu el, prostule.
My name is Puia.
Yeah. I'm not
Puia,
a
la
native
familia.
speaker either.
Say his name, King. Is like Puia Grasu. Say Puia Grasu is his name.
Puia Grasu.
Fat, I am fat.
Your
Puia
sound is
is
not
my
very
name.
clear.
And Puia is my name. And Grasul,
Can't hear you.
fat.
Can't hear you.
Vino cu Puia, vorbește cu el.
Sorry, what?
I was talking to Puia, you know, like, yes.
Just stop laughing at your friend.
Puia, talk to him.
I'm smoke.
Puia,
you
it's
like,
not really scary to talk with me.
You like weed?
I'm also joking.
You like weed, marijuana, dale.
I really can't understand.
King, please talk to Puya Grasu, please. I love you. I love.
I talk to him, but I can't hear him. He's like he's talking like he's
Yeah. I know, but turn your headset up. You know. I
Prăjit.
Tell him to put his headset up. What?
Bă, Puia, dă-ți microfonul mai aproape de gură, mă, ca să te audă.
My brain is
yes.
fire. It's fire, my brain.
Fire your what?
His brain is on fire.
With
Oh, nice fire, Molotov.
yes, look, bucur.
Yeah.
Look multă băbinte.
Stai.
Yes, I need some translation, I suppose.
Look,
Yeah.
Oh,
my
fire.
head is
Yeah, we have a talent show, you know it. Look,
This is very good fire. Look what I'm gonna do now.
it's on fire. No, don't do this. Bro, King, please keep
Watch
talking.
your tree, watch the tree! What happened?
attack on the tree.
Attack on Titan.
King,
Yeah.
oh, no.
Oh shit!
King, please keep talking to Puya, please. He's
Let's
he's.
go to your home.
Come,
No. Talk to him here, you know, in the forest.
come with my
Let's go, yeah.
King, keep talking to.
come.
Let's go, my friend. Puya.
Puya Grasu, bro. Puya Grasu.
Puya Grasu.
Oh, no.
I am protect you. I promise.
Yes.
Bă,
Yes.
Puia, dar zici tu cuvintele alea mai complicate, nu mai rău cu de-astea pe care le știi. Mă zi de...
Guess how old are you?
What?
How old are you?
Can I mad?
Da, mă, câți ani ai, zi câți ani ai?
Like, are you
Eu-
20 years old? You sound like about 20.
Câți ani ai, Puia, câți ani ai? Zi câți ani ai?
22.
Maybe 20.
No, he doesn't... Zi în engleză în pizza, mă,
22.
How old is he?
22 years.
What?
He's 22.
22.
Yes,
I
yes,
got
yes.
close enough.
2.
Yes. Yes, nice. Let's go.
Everyone,
Glass.
child,
Bă,
play with us, you know?
he has mental problems, you know?
Căprioară, zi așa, Bambi.
Puia.
Wait, let's keep walking and I will talk to my brother, okay?
Ok.
But I'll keep playing, but just I'm gonna talk. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, wait. I will be talking to my brother.
Puia, mai vorbește, mă, că nu tu te în gură să te fut de claustrofob.
Come.
Bă, nu mai
Help
pot.
me hunt the raccoon, right? I need the raccoon skin. Look, it's my home.
Nu mai pot. Plâng. Să moară teguța meu. Nu. Du-te în gură.
Nice base.
Yeah,
Can
thank
you make a day?
I don't think we can. Talk, King, please keep talking to Puya. It's just gold. I love you.
But come and sleep, man.
Taci mă
Yo,
sulă.
how are you, man? You got anything to reply?
Nu mai fac gălăgie, Adiță, că-mi bat pula în gura ta. Adiță, nu mai fa așa.
Puia.
Adiță, mă piși pe baza ta, nu mai fă. Zi-mă, Puia, vorbește cu el. Puia. Apasă pe Q și
Puia.
vorbește cu el.
Puia. I think you're really rich.
Help me. Fire.
You're lighting the fire with money.
Yes, he's very rich. Come to him. Bă, Puia, stai mă pe loc și vorbește cu el.
I have to take this back.
Yes, nice. Bravo.
Yes.
Puia, vino comun.
Puia.
Puia. Ia zi, bă, King, say like,
Making fun of him.
King, say like, puia grasul sus pula. Zi așa.
Puia grosă și pula. Why are you so funny?
Ana.
Bucure, explică ce înseamnă.
Like,
That was sarcasm if you...
yeah, no
whatever.
problem.
Saying like, puia grass to suck my dick, you know?
Yes.
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah, say like this. Puia grasul îți suc pula, zi așa, frate. Say like this, you know?
No.
Yes,
You're
say.
going too fast.
I'm going to. Yeah, I'm typing. Look.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Say like this.
Puia grosu... how do we say that? E.T. suc pula.
It's. Can you say like
what?
that? It's supula.
Üç suc pula.
And now say like
Now you say this.
what? Yeah. I'm
Hepinizin
happy.
amına
Amına
koyarım.
koyar. Fucking retard. Fucking.
That
Puya.
translates to like I will fuck you all or something. I don't know.
What is Karakız? What? My boss is Turkish.
Sorry, what?
My boss is Turkish.
Your what is Turkish?
His boss.
No,
His
my
boss.
My boss.
His boss is Turkish.
Yes, my boss on the job is Turkish.
Oh, he's a fucking boss or a nice boss?
He's a cool boss.
Yes.
My brother.
Yeah,
My boss is my brother.
very nice boss.
Mă tare
No,
capul.
I want you to say this,
My boss,
Puya.
Puia, zic. Puia.
Șeful meu îmi spune
Puia.
mie Karakız.
Puya, say this, please.
My
Say
boss
this
tell
for
me-
Puia, zic cum zice el.
Puya.
Zic cum zice el.
What?
Wait, I will find something you to say.
Așteaptă puțin să găsească ceva ce să zici.
Okay.
I translate. I'm here. I'm the translator here.
Yes. Say this. I like. Yeah, no. Oh shit!
Come home, man. Come up, man. Come up.
Yeah, say now.
Ban.
What?
You repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Say what I say. Ban.
Bam.
Hepinizin
Hepinizin
belasını
belasını
sikeceğim.
sikeceğim.
I'm just saying random bullshit right here, like I will fuck you all. It means.
Okay. Oh my god. You don't know how much I laughed. I have a headache from laughing and I'm crying, you know.
Do you like my home? Come in my home.
Go hit me.
Nice.
King, please go hit him. Go.
Can you add me in Steam?
I don't know how. Like, let me see. Yes, I can. Wait.
Yes, add me Steam. I like the server.
How do I fucking do this shit?
I
did
can
say-
do this, I think.
You okay. Add me.
I added you. I added
Oh, my. Bă, puia, vino mă să vorbești cu el, fătu-te în gură. Vino, dracu, să vorbești cu el. Eu nu mai pot.
Wait,
Adică ai făcut prea
I
mult.
can't do it.
Nu mai înțelegi nimic.
My friend did it, like Adrian, like Babuino, the babuin, the chimp, added you.
Yeah, he added me.
Yeah,
He added me.
no
Can
problem.
you add me as well?
I'm gonna add you after this game, cause I'm gonna look in his friends, and add you for
Okay,
sure.
I will accept Babuni's request.
Ho.
Babuin is a monkey.
Babuni. Hello, Babuni. You also can't
I'm
speak,
here.
right?
What?
Can you speak English?
Yes, of
Who?
course, I'm here with you, man.
Babuni.
Yes, I'm here with you, man.
Babuni.
Oh, nice, man, nice. Wait,
Babuni.
I'll accept your request right
Talk,
now, man.
King, talk with Babuni. Cause Puya is kinda shy, he don't want to speak no more. Talk
I
with
have a lot of
Babuni.
work in upper house. Come and
With the
help me.
babuni.
Talk with Babuni.
Come
King,
here,
talk.
come here up. and,
Wait,
help
Come,
me,
come,
man.
come.
Wait, man, wait.
Come.
Come here, man, come here.
Hold on, man.
Come to present our home, man, come up.
Okay.
Come.
Can't you really make it night, day?
No, I can't. Like, you don't fucking.
Come and
Like,
please,
at this
come,
point, you
Aren't you
don't.
hacking? Aren't you hacking?
No, I'm not. Come with me.
Not hacking, modern on console.
A vorbit pe ea să mă arate cât să meu. Hai, da, mă, încă. Babun, talc with Babun.
Here you
Talk with Babun.
can
Babuni.
see some streets of retard
Babuni?
people on.
Oh,
Here you
nice,
can
it's kinda
see
tall.
some retard outfit on the forest retard cannibal, you know, like a lizard. It's
I don't know if it's me
it's like
or
dragon
you,
lizard.
just like... Should I
now
use
you
it?
can hear me.
Yeah.
Man, nice.
Babuni.
Come. Oh, my retard Puyagrasu friends is like burning. Okay, now that's another problem. Come here. We do.
Alright,
we-
I'll just
Come here,
come
come
here.
come with
Come.
Puya, Puya,
No,
Puya,
shut
come.
up.
I'm
Don't
here.
follow
Babuni.
Puyagrasu. He's like
Come.
he's like a kidnapper, man. He's like a kidnapper. Don't follow him.
Oh,
Come here.
Here,
No,
man.
come here.
Oh my God, man. Get a chase. Get a
Guys.
chase. Mirror him.
I
Get a
really
chase.
can't
Get a chase.
understand.
Oh, me. Nice. With
Get